Hey guys, as you may or may not hear in the background, I am at Snetterton Racecourse, race circuit. Here doing a track day with the kit car. Nigel kindly offered me to drive his car as well. That is an S2000 engined MK, and what a car it is. We're actually here with quite a few MKs. I think most of them are out now. There's one going past now. There's a mixture of bike engine, there's cars, there's all sorts of wonderful things. There's a Radical, loads of French stuff as always. But what a fantastic day. I'm going to get loads of seat time, and it was raining here earlier, so it was a little bit on the sketchy side. It started to dry out now, but it is pretty windy and pretty cold. Before we get stuck into it, let's jump into the intro. So the car we're driving today is based on an S2000 engined MK kit. It's got some beautiful touches. I know you can't see half of the middle of it because it's camouflaged. Full carbon front and rear wings. It's got steering with all the RF buttons. It is proper sorted. Now these seats are not like the carbon ones we have, but I tell you what, they are comfortable. They've got nice massive rear view mirror just so we can see what's coming up behind you, which to be fair, if it's something that's not got a turbo, it'll come up behind you, and then as soon as you get to a straight, you just put your foot down and it goes further back, which is quite good fun. Quite a nice looking thing this. There goes the kits. It's about 240, 250 horsepower, and don't you know it, it goes so well. In the wet, it just goes sideways. There's no real point in the forwards, but it's great fun nonetheless. I tell you what, let's go out in the car, shall we?
Also, mate, it's while it's still raining.
Yeah, while it's still dry, lovely. Right. So what do you think of that lap? I mean, yeah, it's a sort of a mixed match of a few different laps, all gelled together, but I had some lovely seat time. A little bit sketchy a couple of times, but I'm still learning the car. I've never driven this car before. I've done probably 20 laps in it today, so I'm still learning it, but what a car. One thing I will have to say is I've got to wear these little tiny boots because you literally can't get towards the pedals. If you wear normal trainers, you will literally touch both your feet together at the same time. It is so tight in there. You're really limited for room, but I tell you what, it feels lovely. If our car's half as great as this, we're definitely in for a treat. Yeah, we're going to have less power, but do you know what? It's not all about power. It's going into corner 30 miles an hour and still going sideways, so it's not all about speed. Of course, it's nice to go fast and overtake people, but we'll definitely have no issues with that, I'm sure. There's another MK coming in there, look. It's always nice when there's more than one of you here as well, because you can share parts, and one of the lads has come really tooled up. He's bought a tool case, he's bought a kettle. Bring a kettle and something to cook some food in. But yeah, fantastic day, really enjoyed it. Gutted Rob couldn't be here, but Rob's actually at Bedford today, racing a EP3 Type R race car, so he's having just as much fun as I am. But yeah, what a fantastic day. It's just nice to be able to get out in a kit. I mean, Rob's had his kit before. I've driven it a couple of times, but never in anger. And I tell you what, I've had the most fantastic day in this thing. I would recommend it to everyone. I'm so looking forward to getting ours on the road and for everyone to see it. And we're probably gonna do some track days, maybe where some people can come along, or we'll go to meets and take some people out and whatever, because it is just, you gotta be in there to believe it. I mean, it just goes so well. You can't even explain it. It's so low to the ground. I mean, look at this one just coming in now. Just looks lovely. The bike engine got a booster in it. Just such a good looking car. I mean, to think they're only running 13 or 15 inch wheels, it's mental. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little short one. I just wanted to share the day with you because I've had a lovely time. I hope you enjoyed seeing the track days, and hopefully we'll be out in ours sooner rather than later. But until next time, guys, bye for now.